The production Marksmiths have arrived and they look beautiful. The box is awesome, and this is one of the first times that I've made a product that has a nice box, a good presentation gift box, something you could feel great about giving to someone in its original packaging. So on the top we have the new Soul Built logo of the wrench and hammer that come together to make the shape of a heart. And then on the front we have the Marksmith logo. So as we open this box, we have a special note here for our Kickstarter backers, who are going to be the first ones to receive these markers. And then inside we have the Marksmith itself and a replacement cartridge. And if you ordered an extra replacement cartridge set, you'll find, instead of one replacement cartridge, which is the standard that comes with it, you'll find 3 replacement cartridges in here. So one cartridge is already in the marker body itself. And here you can see, like, it's just beautiful. You can't even see the connection where you unscrew it between the tip and the body. I mean, it's just blended right in. Everything's blended perfectly. The top is blended in. This is called a brushed finish, and it is the ideal finish for titanium because if it gets scratched or anything, it's really easy to repair the surface to make it look like new. All you have to do is use a light abrasive pad, like a Scotch-Brite pad, and just polish the surface back to its original brushed finish. Any other finish, like a bead blasted finish or a stonewash finish, once that gets scratched up, it's going to be very hard to fix that finish to make it look like new. So that's why I really like this brushed finish. Now we're going to check out the action of this, and it is oh so smooth. It's awesome. Very smooth. That spring in that cartridge is super strong, so it really pushes the clip back well. And there, I just wanted to note that there is a little bit of motion back here, a little bit of free motion. That free motion is important because the cartridge has to be completely loose when retracted, such that there's no chance of the little trap door in here opening. And here we'll look at the trap door. You'll see, if I can, there we go. You'll see the little trap door open. Did you see that? The little trap door opens up and then the tip comes out. So that trap door needs to always be closed and properly sealed, and therefore there can't be any pressure being applied in the retracted position. That's why you're going to feel just a little bit of free motion there. So don't try to remove that by shimming it or anything. It's fine. It's not going to be noticeable in normal use, and you will not notice it when it's clipped onto something. The Marksmith turned out to be a beautiful marker. I really love it. I love these features on it. The little top surface here with the ridges on the top, it indicates that that's where you have to push it with your thumb to extend it, and it gives you a little bit of grip on that surface. The clip is really nice. There's always a tiny little bit of space between the body and the clip, just to make sure that the clip doesn't rub on the body as it's extending out. So all the tolerances have to be really tight in here for it to work properly. I'm very pleased with the production version of the Marksmith, and we can't wait to get them into your hands. And I really appreciate all our Kickstarter backers' patience in getting this made the right way, the perfect way, and you'll be completely satisfied with it. So thank you so much from the bottom of my soul-built heart.